Hello everybody, today we're going to be unboxing these clone AirPods I bought from Aliexpress for only $15. Let's get started. As you can see, the packaging is very good. The quality is very good. So this was the packaging. Yeah, it's very solid. So as you can see, these are the real box. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's see what's written back here. Yeah, let's open them. Let's open them. It's hard to open these. Oh. Nothing here. I see the manual is missing. Oh no, it's right there. It's right back here. So this is the packaging. This was the box, the contents of the box. This is the charging cable for these, and this is the manual. Of course, it's in Chinese because these are kind of the clones. Yeah. So actually, they have the same software and the same technology. So let's open these. Yeah, this was the packaging. Yeah, we'll put that right there. Let's do it. Oh, as you can see, there is a button. I don't know if you can see it. There's a button right here, just like the real ones. And yeah, these are the second generation AirPod clones. Yeah, let's open them. Oh, so when you open them, actually the lights gets on. Yeah, they're pretty heavy, so yeah, the kind of real. And I do think it has the touch technology. Yeah, let's pair them to my mobile phone and then we'll see the sound quality. Let's connect them. I think they already have enough battery life. Yeah, let's do it. So actually I'm trying to connect them on an Android. Let's get started. You can connect them on iPhones, Androids, or tablets, whatever you want. So actually what you need to do is first you have to connect them by Bluetooth, and after that whenever you want to connect them, you just open the case and they will connect themselves. So let's get started first on Bluetooth. Yeah. Yeah. I think I need to open these. I think it's these. Yes, it's these one. After that, if you want, you can just name them however you want. So I'll just connect these. Yeah, they're connecting. Oh, they connected now. So let's play some music. I'll just put these on the mic. I'll just put this. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these on the mic. I really don't know where is the mic, so I don't know if you can hear this. I think it's on the down. Yeah, it's on the right. Yeah.
In your face, swiping nose like a credit card.
I think you can hear that now. Yeah. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm gonna put the Aliexpress offer in the description, so if you wanna check them out, you can just click on the link and you'll get them. And I live in Belgium, so I got these for around 14 euros with €2 shipping, so you can get them very easily if you're in Belgium. And this came around 20 days. Thanks for watching.